Vegetation. Healthy growing vegetation appears green because of chlorophyll content. The reflectance from vegetation depends on various factors: leaf pigmentation, leaf cell structure, leaf moisture, crown architecture, plant physiology. Figure 10, reflectance curve of vegetation based on health. The reflectance of healthy green vegetation is shown in graph above. In the visible band of electromagnetic radiation, the healthy vegetation will have absorption in the blue and red bands because of the presence of chlorophyll. This wavelength ranges from 0.45 μm and 0.65 μm. If the plant is turned to yellow, it results in less chlorophyll. So there will be less absorption in the blue and red band. As we move from visible to near infrared portion of the spectrum, which is about 0.74 μm to 1.3 μm, the plant leaf reflects 40 to 50% of the energy incident upon it. If the moisture is low in leaves of the plants, then it reflects more energy in all the bands compared to the leaves with high moisture as shown in the graph in figure 11. The plant stress in graph shows decreased absorption in near infrared as compared to the healthy vegetation. Due to less moisture, disease and pest contents, the crop's reflectance are more. Water. The reflectance from water depends on various factors: depth, suspended particles in water, floating vegetation, sun angle. Pure clear water has relatively high reflectance in the visible wavelength. Ranges from 0.4 and 0.6 μm. There is no reflectance in the near infrared 0.7 μm and higher wavelengths. So in infrared images shows the water body in dark color. Clear water absorbs little energy in 0.6 μm. If the water contains of suspended sediments, it has higher reflectance in visible as compared to clear water. Heavy sediments load high turbidity prevent radiation penetrating the water bodies, so it reflects the energy. In near infrared and middle infrared wavelengths, water strongly absorbs radiation and very little energy will be reflected or transmitted. The presence of algae in water affects the spectral response of the water. The chlorophyll contents of algae increases the reflectance of water body in the green band as shown in the figure below, reduces the reflectance in the red and blue band. Therefore, water looks green. Figure 13, reflectance in green band due to the presence of algae in water body. Rock. The rock constitutes of different minerals and textural properties. The absorption and reflectance basically depends on mineral composition in rocks. Different rocks such as biotile granites and granites have less water content, therefore they reflect more in infrared. The rock which contains more water content will absorb more. The rocks which contain iron will exhibit more absorption in the ultraviolet and blue band and reflection in the infrared band. This is due to the contents of metals such as iron, manganese, copper, nickel and chromium. The other factors which affect the reflectance of the rock are nature of the rock, top cover, topography, shadow, surface roughness. Curve given below shows reflectance behavior of various rocks such as concrete, asphalt, bare soil, gravel and shingles. Figure 14, reflectance curve for various rock types. The reflectance of all rock types is gradually increasing in all wavelengths such as with visible, near infrared and middle infrared. Concrete is light and bright in color as compared to asphalt. Therefore, it shows higher reflectance as compared to all rocks. The shingles are bluish in color and so it reflects more in 0.5 to 0.4 to 0.5 μm. Resolution. Resolution is defined as the ability of the sensor to detect the information at the smallest meaningful element. In terms of distance, spatial, wavelength band of electromagnetic radiation, spectral, time, temporal and radiation quantity, radiometric. There are 4 types of resolution which are listed below: spatial, spectral, radiometric and temporal. Spatial resolution. It is the minimum element area that the sensor can detect to measure. Spatial resolution is classified into 3 types: high spatial resolution, which covers 0.6 to 4 meters, medium spatial resolution covers from 4 to 30 meters, and low spatial resolution covers greater than 30 to 1000 meter. This resolution element is called pixel. The various examples and pictures of spatial resolution are given below. Example for pixel: list 3, band 2 to 4 23.5 meter, band 5 70.5 meter, WIFs 188.3 meter, AWIFs 56 meter. List 3 plus pan 5.8 meter, list 4 2.5 meter, Iconos 1 meter, Cartosat 2.8 meter, Spot MSS 30 meter, 80 meter. Table 1, Spatial resolution of various satellites. Spectral resolution. It refers to the sensing and recording power of the sensor in different bands of electromagnetic radiation. The sensor can observe objects separately in different bands and colors in one band, which is panchromatic, black and white. For example, Landsat MSS 7 bands, Spot 4 bands, IRS 4 bands. Figure 21 shows spectral resolution of various satellites. List 3 bands. Band 2 0.52 to 0.59 μm, Band 3 0.62 to 0.68 μm, Band 4 0.77 to 0.86 μm, Band 5 1.55 to 1.70 μm, Pan 0.5 to 0.75 μm. The spatial resolution specifies the pixel size of the satellite images covering the Earth's surface. Radiometric resolution. It is determined by the number of discrete levels into which signals may be divided. It is recorded in digital number for different bands of satellites. In other words, it is dividing the total range of the signal output of the sensor into large number of distinct colors to enable distinguish ground features which are different slightly in a radiance or reflectance. The various examples are given below. Sensor list 3 7-bit 128 levels, WIFs 7-bit 128 level, PAN 6-bit 64 level, AWIFs 10-bit 1024 levels, Cartosat 1 10-bit 1024 levels. Radiometric resolution of various satellites. Radiometric resolution describes the ability of a sensor to discriminate very light differences in energy. The finer the radiometric resolution of a sensor, more sensitive it is to detect small differences in reflected or emitted energy. Temporal resolution. The ability to collect imagery of the same area of the Earth's surface at different periods of time is one of the most important elements of remote sensing. Temporal resolution is also called as a repetitive cycle, which is the capability of the satellite to record the same area at the same viewing angle at different periods of time. Spectral characteristics or features may change over time, and these changes can be detected by collecting and comparing multi-temporal imagery. For example, Spot revisits the same area in 26 days. Temporal imagery helps us to identify the change occurred over a period of time. The various examples are given in the table below. Table 3, Temporal resolution of various satellites. IRS 1A 1B 22 days, IRS 1C 1D 24 days, PAN 5 days, WIFs 3 days, AWIFs 5 days, Landsat 16 to 18 days. Vegetation. Healthy growing vegetation appears green because of chlorophyll.